Hey guys, welcome to English Express channel. In this video, we made for you travel and tourist vocabulary, most new terms for exploring the world. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Airplane. Airplane. I see an airplane. I see an airplane. Airport. Airport. We are at the airport. We are at the airport. Backpack. Backpack. My backpack is heavy. My backpack is heavy. Beach. Beach. The beach is beautiful. The beach is beautiful. Bus. Bus. The bus is yellow. The bus is yellow. Camera. Camera. I have a camera. I have a camera. Car. Car. This car is red. This car is red. City. City. The city is big. The city is big. Clothes. Clothes. I pack my clothes. I pack my clothes. Cruise. Cruise. We go on a cruise. We go on a cruise. Destination. Destination. Paris is our destination. Paris is our destination. Eat. Eat. I eat pizza. I eat pizza. Flight. Flight. Our flight is late. Our flight is late. Fun. Fun. The trip is fun. The trip is fun. Guide. Guide. The guide is friendly. The guide is friendly. Hotel. Hotel. We stay in a hotel. We stay in a hotel. Travel. Travel. I love to travel. I love to travel. Luggage. Luggage. My luggage is blue. My luggage is blue. Map. Map. I need a map. I need a map. Money. Money. I need money. I need money. Mountain. Mountain. The mountain is high. The mountain is high. Museum. Museum. The museum is interesting. The museum is interesting. Passport. Passport. I have my passport. I have my passport. Photo. Photo. I take a photo. I take a photo. Road. Road. The road is long. The road is long. Room. Room. Our room is clean. Our room is clean. Sand. Sand. The sand is warm. The sand is warm. Sea. Sea. The sea is calm. The sea is calm. Ship. Ship. The ship is big. The ship is big. Sleep. Sleep. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. Sun. Sun. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.